Hey, how you doing? My name is Terrell, and welcome to Platinum Eagles. Obviously, you're here because you've seen something around me posting with Forex or something like that. And I just wanted to take a little bit, just to tell you a little bit about myself. Again, my name is Terrell, and I started Platinum Eagles as a way just to share some information about Forex. I've been doing business for a long time. My wife and I, we've had a very successful marketing company that we did for years, and I teach business all across the country. You can see me on the radio. I have a radio show, all of these kinds of things. We teach people how to do government contracting, all of this stuff, because I just like helping people. I grew up in a small town, and I've always been the guy that's, listen, if I found something good, then I share it. You know, I like to help people grow, and that's just what I enjoy, and been doing it over the years. But all underlying all of that has always been Forex. When I wanted to get involved in Forex, I saw a lot of people that would teach me, but they wanted to charge me a lot of money to do it. I'm talking 4 or 5 grand or even higher for me to learn how to trade Forex. And I just couldn't afford it. I really couldn't. And so I kind of set in my mind that I'm going to figure this out. I saw the possibilities, and I said, you know what? I am going to figure this out. And literally, it took me over 10 years. Now, you may say, dude, this guy is slow, and you might absolutely be right. But I've actually been trading for about 14 years or so, all total. But it took me like 10 years to even figure out what the world was going on. And I would find some success, but I couldn't stay consistently profitable. And that little bit of success every now and then killed me. So over the years, you know, I've blown 3 accounts, and I'm talking over $1,500 each. People have actually given me money to trade for them because they've seen the bit of success that I've had. And so, you know, people would invest in me and all those kinds of things, and I would tank it because mentally I wasn't ready. I didn't have a strategy that would allow me to consistently profit and all of those things. And so, listen, I've even been to the point to where my wife, I was crying, the markets crushed me. I was crying, sitting on the side of the bed, just feeling absolutely defeated. And my wife said, listen, if this is what trading is going to do to you, like, stop it. I can't watch you go through this, like, cut it out. So I stopped doing Forex like for a whole year, but I couldn't take it because I knew the possibilities. So I jumped back on it and kept going again. So off and on 10 years, 14 years now that I've been doing this stuff. And I finally have figured some things out. You know, I've become consistently profitable, and you've seen my trades. I'm not just a screenshot person because Photoshop, you can deal with all of that, but I do live videos so you can see my trades and you can see the success that I'm having. And I don't show those to you to brag and to show you how much money I'm making and all that. It's not about that. It's about showing you what's possible. It's showing you the possibilities that Forex can do for you. And that's what I saw. That's what lit the flame for me in Forex, and that sparked my love for Forex. And it's absolutely real. It's absolutely possible. And so what I do is I'm here to help you become profitable in the Forex markets. There's no other opportunity that I've seen where I could take, it didn't matter what my race was, it didn't matter what my religion is, it doesn't matter your educational background, it doesn't matter your criminal history, it doesn't matter any of that. You could be formally incarcerated and get out of prison and just be out 24 hours ago, and you can start making money in the Forex markets. And that's what I love. Like, it put everybody on the equal playing field. And I had the dream to be able to wake up in the morning, get on my laptop and make money. And that was it. I didn't want to have to go to a job. I didn't want to have to put in an application and hope somebody would hire me. Like, I was just totally defeated during those processes. Like, job hunt. That was the whole reason I started businesses in the first place, was because I hated job hunts. I never graduated college. So that was a challenge for me, but the Forex market doesn't care about that. So I said, if I can become profitable and I can make an extraordinary amount of money in the Forex markets, like, my life, like, forget about it. So that's what I did. That was my journey. And Forex has always been a part of my journey. I just had to get consistently profitable in order to make it a reality. And so I've done that. And I want to be able to share that with you. So what you're looking at on this page, if you're looking around, you'll see a few ways you can get started in Platinum Eagles. Platinum Eagles is a labor of love. I just like sharing information. I found what I call a recipe for printing money. It really is. And I want to share that. So Platinum Eagles started out of that vein where I just wanted to share. And so you'll see PEFX Silver, which is just basically, that's the free option. That's the way to get started in Forex. with a free Facebook group. Now it's a closed group, so it's a private group. Everybody can't get in. Everybody doesn't even see it. But it's a way where you can get in, and there's over 100 people in there, and we talk Forex. We talk about charts. I do free workshops in there where I teach people how to set up their charts, how to get connected to a Forex broker, how to place a trade. And we start with the basics of Forex. I love Forex, and I don't mind talking about it 24 hours a day, and that's where I share. I'll send some free trade signals out through that free Platinum Eagles Forex group on Facebook, where they can get familiar with looking at signals and starting trades, answer questions, those kinds of things. And like I said, the free workshops. So if nothing else, you can get involved and get in the Forex conversation and start mixing it up with some people that are already talking Forex, and you can get involved in that Forex mentality through the free Facebook group. So if that's where you want to start on the free method, you can absolutely start trading in there. So don't take free as though it's worthless. Absolutely not. There are people that are making money in the free group, but that's where you get started. Okay, foundation, very basic information there. Then you have PEFX Gold, and that's where, if you want to learn my strategy, if you want to learn what I've learned over the 10 years, but you can't, I couldn't pay $4,000 or $5,000. That's why it's only 25 bucks a month, because it's going to take you a while to learn everything there is to know. But I'm going to turn you into a sharpshooter. You're going to learn my strategy. I'm going to teach you exactly what it takes for you to be a consistently profitable trader. Now, you may be wondering, what kind of educational background do I need to have to be able to benefit from Platinum Eagles Forex Gold? Do I have what it takes to be an advanced member? I taught my 12-year-old daughter how to trade using my strategy. And if you can operate on a, it's kind of like, are you smarter than a fifth grader? If you can comprehend on a fifth grade level, on a 12-year-old level, then you can become a consistently profitable trader using my Platinum Eagles system. And that's all. I'm just teaching you what I've learned. I'm teaching you the short version. And my charts are very clean. So you've seen it's not all that crazy stuff. If you look at any of my videos and you've seen it, which I take that you have at this point, I'm not a complicated trader. I just learned a certain few things, and I set traps. And if the market triggers my traps, then we place trades. So as a PEFX Gold subscriber, you will learn my strategy for trading. Okay, now for those of you that aren't interested in learning the mentality, listen, you might be already familiar. You may be where I was some years ago, where I understood how to trade. I understood the software and all of that kind of stuff. I just didn't know how to be consistently profitable. For those of you that aren't worried about, education, but you know how to trade, you're familiar with the platforms, PEFX Signals may be for you. So what happens in PEFX Signals is I just send you my trades. So as I'm looking at the market and I see what's about to happen, as soon as I'm about to place a trade, I send the signal out, and it's broadcasted to the PEFX Signal subscribers. So I tell you when to get in, I tell you when to get out, I tell you stop losses and all of that kind of stuff, and you just do what I do. You trade like I trade, and don't worry about the education. Just log on to your smart device or your computer, place your trade, and just wait for the next thing for me to tell you what to do. I'll tell you, hey, I'm getting out, and you can get out if you want to, or you can, stay in. But I tell you exactly when to trade and how to trade, and that's what PEFX Signals is all about. So if that's you, if you just want to start making profit right away, I don't worry about the education. I don't want to take 6 months. I just want to know when you trade. You tell me when you trade, I'll place the same trade. That way we can both profit together. That's PEFX Signals. So pick one or the other. On the low end, listen, get involved in the free Facebook group, get involved in some free workshops, ask some questions, get your feet wet in Forex. Hey, if you want to go to the next step of being an educated trader, if you want to learn how to fish, learn how to trade for yourself, get involved in PEFX Gold. Hey, if you want to just start sharpshooting, hey, tell me when to trade, tell me when to get in, when to get out, and I'll make money like you make. Hey, jump into PEFX Signals and let's start rocking and rolling, okay? But at the end of the day, I just want to see you become successful and profitable in the Forex market. So if there's anything, any questions that you have, hey, catch me on Instagram or wherever you can catch me. Send me a DM, whatever the case may be, and get some questions answered. Join the free Facebook group. Doesn't cost you anything to get in there, and let's start talking Forex. Get involved in some free workshops, and then you can see for yourself if you want to take the next step. All right. So like I said, if there's anything I can help you with, please let me know. Other than that, hopefully I'll see you on the other side. God bless you. Enjoy the rest of your day.